Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, and we're joined by investors and traders from around the world. We're here to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. And I say channels because we have two, the music and the money. Together, they come together and support a community around the world. We've raised over $1 million for our charities. We're here with cash prize giveaways. We're here 10 hours a day. We're here to support people. We're here to tell you the truth, always share you the truth. And our investors and traders will also share with you their real trades and their real positions. That's what this channel is all about. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm up 2.46. What a rally today. However, this is without doubt a bear market rally. But the best investors, the best technical traders in the world, no one knows when we hit bottom until weeks after, and they look back and go, that was the bottom. It's the same for the Great Depression, the same for recession, 2008, all the crashes. You never knew you were in a crash until weeks later, and you look back and you saw how low it really got, and you see the recovery. Are we at the bottom today? I don't know. I don't think so, but I keep buying the dips, and when it goes up, I see bigger gains each time because I keep adding to my positions, sometimes selling for a loss, but keep improving my positions all the time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Who was the first person in the chat this afternoon? Before the show started was Mark. Stephen Lewandowski, directly from Florida, and I can't share your comments just yet because you've not commented since the show went live. You were pre-show, but what you did say was another tornado warning near me again. Not raining now, not much winds now, actually nice outside, lots of rotation in the area for tornadoes. Also, Brick, what kind of stocks are you in? And I'm on Space, 15,000 shares, and Tesla over 300 shares now. Blimey. Everyone's got a bigger portfolio than me, it seems. I'm very proud to have all of these great investors and traders here. Anyway, Jason Newman was the first in the actual live show. The other comments were before the show went live. Craig, evening all. Evening. How are you? And Steam, there he is, Stephen Lewandowski over on Twitch as well at the same time. Look at the portfolio today. Rallying 2.79 now. Now, our best ever rally, our best ever day was 11%. So we're not in any way overexcited thinking that this is it. It can go up 11% and back down again. There was a time about 6 weeks ago when I was up on every single thing. I was up on the live, I was up on the day, I was up on the week, I was up on the month, I was up on 3 months. I wasn't up on the year, but all of that I was up. That isn't the case today, so we can go up and lose it just as fast. But, however, it is good, I think, to buy the dips when they come. Keep adding to your positions when you can. Always buying lower than you've ever paid before. I think that's a good strategy. Anyway, Alf, good evening, Alf. How are you? Lovely to see you. Welcome to as a guest of our family, Alf. This pump is too large. I wouldn't go in tomorrow thinking buy a dip. You'll be chasing. Yes, you should not be buying the pump. You should only be buying at the very bottom. This morning I bought here. Oh, you can't see that, can you? Wrong screen. I bought here this morning. Why did I buy here? Not for any magical reason, but this was my all-time low. This on my stocks was all-time low. If I go over to my main, the investments I made this morning, VU, I bought here, which is my all-time low price. I didn't buy it here. I'm still down 6%, but I bought it at an all-time low price. I added another 2 shares. Anyway, the storm is bad, and we will be money printing again to fix it. There we go, Church of Logic. Maybe we should just print money all the time. You know, just keep doing that. Just make money free for everybody. Are you going to sell anything into this? No. No, I'm not. The way I see it, this this isn't a time for me to scalp trade at all. I'm not feeling that at all. What I'm sensing right now is keep buying the bottom, keep adding to it. I mean, at the end of the day, 6 months, a year from now, these prices will be cheap. I don't need to cash out right now. I don't need to take profits right now. And the day will come when Virgin Galactic will be $30, $40 a share. The day will come when the S&P will be 380, 390 again. And, do I want to get rid of all my shares at 340? No. It's about the value, not the price, for me anyway. But good question, though, 22. It had crossed my mind for about 3 seconds. This might be a signal next week we will start a nice rally, but with the storm and Putin in the wings can spark more fear. I have nothing to sell. I'm still at a loss. Well, it's the same thing for me, Church. But what you can do, however, and I think it's very important to mention, with Robinhood, their brokerage protocol is FIFO, first in, first out. So if I chose to sell the 2 shares I bought this morning on the S&P, I paid $331. I've got $9, $18 profit there. I would have to tell, and you can tell Robinhood, would you sell the ones from this morning? You just show them the date and the number. It's very, very easy. It's a set default email I send, and they will sell. If I sell 2 shares now, as long as it hasn't settled, which is about 3 days, they will sell the 2 I bought this morning. So I'll make $18 profit. But the way I see it is I didn't buy the S&P 500 to make $18. So I'm just holding it. I need 2 weeks of gains and no red days to break even. I'm about the same, Churchy. I'm about the same, mate. I am about the same. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, what about that for a rally? As you all know, I bought back in at 580. I added to my position. I'm happy with that. What a rally today there. Anyway, Virgin Orbit. There's no real news there. There's no reason to buy Virgin Orbit at the moment. Tesla doing better again. What did Steven say? Smart Stephen. Only holding, doing nothing, waiting for 2023. Stephen Lewandowski, we've been watching you all day on the news. We've been watching unbelievable storm surges on the west coast of Florida. I'm not surprised, having lived through it myself. I know what it's like. But bloody hell, there's cities there, towns there, completely and utterly destroyed. Incredible stuff. It's going to be a huge expense to put all that back together again. And the only fear is there's more of this every year. It's going to get a lot worse. Hate to be doom and gloom, but that's just the science. Anyway, only holding, doing nothing, waiting for 23. There you go. I am on the East Coast. We know. We're very pleased for that as well. But Moose is on the West Coast. I wonder if Moose will pop in today to let us know how he is. I do hope so. Anyway, Rivian, very, very strong. Woo, I'm back. Hello, day trader. Hello, all. What's his name? 22. I did reply to your whisper on Twitch. I want to pick your brains. Any support you can give me. I'm going to do some music. I'm going to create another channel. Can I? If you see, with YouTube, people come for a certain genre. So I have the Martyn Lucas music channel and I have the day trader. Okay, I know I put the music at the end, but that's different. It's a completely different thing at the end. I don't make videos on the music. I make the videos on the investment. With Twitch, however, it's not searchable in the same way. Can I, as I have followers on Twitch, just create a stream for music on the same channel and then attract those people? Or should I have a separate channel for the music? I just want your thoughts there, because when I stream, I can go on YouTube and also be on. I could do a music concert. Anyway, I need to sub the World Piano Man. There you go. Already, look, I have people wanting to sub my channel. There you go. I haven't even created it, and I've got Nitsy boy saying I am going to sub the World Piano Man. Yay! There you go. Look at that. I love it. 1,000-point rally on the Dow since the Bank of America announcement. Leave it with me. I'll reply tomorrow. Thanks, 22. There's 98% chance of global recession. Research firm warns. And can I say, a great time to get in the market is when the recession is there. And again, it's being ahead of the market. It's knowing when it's a recession, because when it's recession, you are now at the bottom. And that's when you want to be in, right? That's when you want to be in. So if they announce a recession, then we are approaching or at the bottom. And that is exactly why I'm going all in, and I'm staying all in, because I want to build up a portfolio where I'm 50, 60, 80, 100% up on everything and never have fear. One of the people I respect a lot is a guy who's got millions of shares of Amazon, and he doesn't have any concern. He bought it when it came out. He doesn't even care about 50% drops. He doesn't even care. He doesn't even worry. He's so far ahead. It doesn't matter. Anyway, McDonald's has made a recovery. We learned yesterday that McDonald's has had its target rated down due to inflation. Because they said in Europe, and I have to disagree with this, the analysts, I did a bit of research. Some of the analysts that were giving you this information have their ulterior motives, and you have to be very, very wary of that. Some of the analysts, I do not agree with their opinion at all. I don't know if any of them come from England at all, because what they said was they downrated McDonald's because of inflation and increased costs, and they said that in McDonald's in Britain, in England, when people run out of money, they go to the restaurants and stop eating at McDonald's. And I went, that's absolutely nonsense. I'm from England, and let me tell you, when no one's got any money, they go from the restaurants to McDonald's, because McDonald's is a cheap, bottom of the bucket food. And I don't know what they're talking about, but they do not flock to restaurants. They go the other way. So I think that down rating was nonsense. I have always believed Coca-Cola and McDonald's are inflationary proof. Now, of course, they're affected by inflation. Some of you are going to argue that with me, and that's fine. I encourage it. But, however, they are the best placed to deal with it. They have the buying power. They're everywhere. Coke's everywhere. McDonald's is everywhere. And it's cheap. You can always afford a Coke. You can always afford a McDonald's. And, when we can't afford fish and chips, because that's getting very expensive, we'll have a McDonald's. So I don't agree. I think the analysts were being very biased in their own selfish ends. I think the report we got yesterday, when McDonald's crashed down, I doubled my position. I told you I was waiting for it. Ever since I bought it, it's been rallying up. I think it was nonsense. What do you think? If you want to call in, let me go now to the Discord for our members. There's the broadcast lounge. It's open. If you want to call in and tell me, what do you think? Do you think, in a recession, do you think that McDonald's is in trouble with inflation? I don't think so. I think it's absolute rubbish. Cost of food too, Martin, and production. Yeah, of course. But people have to eat. So where do you eat? The cheapest place. Well, McDonald's is the cheapest place, right? It's obvious, isn't it? You've got to eat. You're not going to stop eating, are you? You're not going to go to a 5-star restaurant. You just go to McDonald's. I mean, I've always done that. When I've had no money, right, we're eating at McDonald's tonight. We ain't got any money. It's the first thing you do, isn't it? Anyway, I have relatives in Bonita Springs and Punta. Gotta please pray for them. They're on the west coast between Fort Myers. Stephen, we are so with you, mate. We are so with you. Yeah, there you go. Yes, sir. Nit said, yep, the moment you set up a channel, I'm subscribing to it. The Martyn Lucas World Piano Man music channel on Twitch. Yeah, in fact, let's do that now, right? Let's do it now. I'm going to create a poll. Right. Would you follow my music channel? Whoopsie-daisy. Channel on, whoops. Would you, because Twitch is the number one streaming channel, right? Would you follow my music channel on Twitch? There you go. Yes. No. There you go. Nick is saying, yeah, I'm already there. There are loads of music channels, apparently. I've been learning from 22. Lots of music channels on Twitch. So I want to find out. Hurricane Ian could push food prices even higher. Hurricane Ian roars ashore in southwest Florida, bringing destructive floods and wind. Why can't the US central bank buy our debt back? Yes. Why can't the US central bank give me a lot of money? Just give me money. Cost of food too, Martin, and production costs. Supply shortage incoming soon. 99-cent pizza in Manhattan. Oh my God, what does that taste like? Ginkgo Bioworks is up 19%. I know, I cannot believe it. I sold out of that. What a day. What a day for Ginkgo Bioworks. But this is a stock that does drop, though. It's not profitable at the moment. It's looking very nice, though. Look at this. It does this. It does this. I was in Ginkgo Bioworks. I like what it's doing, but look, it's very up and it's very great for swing trading, but to be very careful of that. It can drop as quick as it goes up. McDonald's is a real estate company, not a burger company. Yes, I'm fully aware of that. You're right. You're right there. All the properties it owns. Anyway. But the analyst report I read was about people not going to restaurants. That's what I'm talking about. That's what they were saying. Sorry, not going to McDonald's, going back to restaurants, which is so untrue in England. That's not going to happen at all. So I disagree with that. Alicia and Patricia, how are you? Hi, Martin, Ali, and Patricia. Hey, Italian Air Force fitted for spaceware for possible Q4 space flight. I so wish you could share me this information. You mention it in the show, but I never get it verified. And the stock which that you tell me it's on, I can never find it. If I could make that I could verify that. If I could verify that, I would share it. But I have to. I cannot just make news up, and people obviously doesn't that come as a surprise? I don't have Twitch. I do have Twitter. There you go. You don't have Twitch, but you have Twitter. Oh, I've got my Twitter account on my Twitter account for the Martyn Lucas. You want to follow me on Twitter with Martyn Lucas? Here you go. There's me Twitter. Just Martyn Lucas content, as in music. All right, there's the Martyn Lucas one. All right. Spacelight is not a reliable source of information. I need, it has to be verified. I know some people just splur out any old nonsense, but that's not what we do here. Ed Nevius, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is safe in Florida. Well, great news. We've got Stephen Lewandowski in the chat. Here he is right now. Look, he's in the chat with us. Very, very nice to see indeed. I'd rather buy some meat and buns 5 times the value. He's right, isn't he? I've seen you on LinkedIn also. Yeah, I'm live there right now. I'm live on LinkedIn right now. Yeah, I am streaming on LinkedIn right as we speak. Yeah, I know. I'm a huge star on LinkedIn. Look, have you ever seen me on LinkedIn? Look, there I am. Look, I'm on LinkedIn right now. I'm a megastar on LinkedIn. Look. I'm live bloody everywhere. Space, a buy. Yes, absolutely. VZ, a buy. Thoughts on why it's so insanely low? VZ, I'm sorry, I don't know anything about VZ. I have no idea. I can't comment on it. Hello, Mexicans. Texas Joe, here he is. Martin is famous. Apparently I'm famous. See? Houston, Texas. I was the world piano man. 2002 I won that title. So anyway, great to hear this. You're always welcome, church. Right, let's go back to our overall portfolio. We're up now 3.18. What a rally now. We're hitting 37. No excuses. You're everywhere. You've no idea, Stephen. And I've got live gigs now as well. Friday and Saturday night. I'm in Dallas. If anybody wants to come, it's on the Martyn Lucas newsletter. It's also on the website. If you go on the website, you can see that my calendar of events. Calendar of events. Look, right at the top. Look, this is where I'm actually live and in person. There you go. You like that? Got Marilyn Monroe on the screen. You like that? Look pretty good? There you go. Live and in person. Spot on. Okay. Let me go. We've got Day Trader of the Day to finish up the show with this afternoon. Let me just run a quick 10-second break. I'll be right back from now. Ads inserted. And we're back. Let's have a look at the poll. So, would you follow my music channel on Twitch? 5 said no. I'm going to end that poll. I don't know why I asked that. Why am I bringing on pain on myself? I don't want pain. 5 people said no, I wouldn't follow you on Twitch. I'm going to end that poll. That's a rubbish poll. I don't know why I did it. I'll just do it and not tell no one. What's up, big dog? Hi, Paddy. Hi, Jason Newman. How are you? So, Virgin Galactic. I want to share with you some information today on Virgin Galactic. I got a post this afternoon about more hirings again. My God, the company are hiring at the pace I've never seen. And they're new positions as well, because I thought to myself, hang on, are we posting the same positions because you can't get anybody? No, they are new positions being added all the time. They are hiring like at a rate of knots. When other companies are laying off people, Virgin Galactic are employing people. Anyway, Ford to the moon today. How about the scooters? Bloody hell, what's all this about, Ford? Let's have a look. Ford to the moon. I've got shares in Ford. I'm a big-time investor. I'm going to knock on their door and say, oi. I'm still down 16%, Churchy, but we discovered that Ford is oversold, but it does need to sort its blue badge issue out. I'm a very, very small-time investor on Ford, but there you go. My money is in other things, but I do have some, though. Jason, hi, we're all okay. Let's check our crypto. Ethereum's up 3%. Read an article today. Ford is investing $700 million to new jobs and plant. Very, very good. Oh, back to Stephen. We're focused on Stephen today. He's in Florida, on the East Coast, fortunately. Good, Paddy. Weather actually not bad. Just rotation near me. Tornadoes. I can walk into Ford right now and demand to see how production is going. What's that? What's that? Because you're a big-time shareholder. Yeah, that's like me. Churchy, when you go, let me know. I'll come with you. And we will go in and say, oi, listen, shareholders, me and Churchy, production line, now. Show us the production line. Now, we want to see it. So, yeah, totally with you there, mate. I'm right on it. How was your mum this morning? Did she enjoy our little escapade? Your mum this morning, is she good? I was trying to get you to get her a song, but you were too tight. You couldn't be bothered. You don't love your mum enough. I said if he loves you enough, he'll get you a song, but you clearly don't. You could have had a song for your mum this morning, Churchy, and you let it pass. You let it pass. For the price of a McDonald's, you let it pass by. You had every opportunity to have a song for your mum. The woman that's brought you up and took care of you all your life, I think it's disgraceful. Who thinks it's disgraceful? Tilray Brands, 6.79, still down 13%. I'm very glad to see it rise, though. On at 1.48. Mum was great. I had to run to work this morning. I was at her house watching you on the big screen. All right. Still didn't get her a song though, did you? No. No point just saying it. No point just saying it now, Churchy. No point just saying it. Mum was glad to run. I was at her house watching you on the big screen, he said. Canoe. Up 4%. Again, just following massive losses. All this is lovely to see, but it doesn't mean a great deal at the moment. Look at Tesco. 16%. I bought it at the bottom. I bought it again. I'm buying her a mug for you. All right, then. Oh. I'm buying her a mug for you. What do you mean for me? You're buying the mug for her, not buying the mug for me. I'm not. What do I get out of your mum having a mug? Buy her an Xbox. Yeah, much better idea. Hey, Houston, keep quiet. He should buy his mum a mug. All right, you keep out of it. Target today. I don't know why Target was up so much today. I think it was oversold because if you look at Walmart has been holding up, didn't drop off. Target sold off and come back. It looks like, these two should be about the same. And it looks like Target was really focused on to be sold, and now everyone's buying it back. But anyway, here also there is a terrible wind, Stephen, and the sea is very rough. Yes, Paddy, the sea is very rough, and it is a bit windy in Florida right now. It's a bit windy in Florida. I just thought I'd mention. Has anybody heard? It's a bit windy in Florida today. Space a buy, yes. Verizon, no. Don't know anything about it. I wouldn't buy if I was going to buy a mobile telecommunication, it'd be T-Mobile. T-Mobile, I'd be buying if I wanted one. Anyway, I wish we could. I wish she could. She would let me have her Mustang. Oh, she got a nice car. Send the picture in and I'll put it on Discord and show everybody. I'm surprised Walmart has been holding on this long. I'm not, because do you remember what happened on its earnings? Was you there when it collapsed? There. I was there and I picked it up here. And that's why I'm up 9%. T-Mobile is a trash service. Don't you trash my service. I've got T-Mobile. Don't rubbish it. Aha, Martyn in effect. There we go. Martyn in effect. See? Houston, absolutely, mostly these tough times. Yeah, it's very windy and it's very windy today in Florida. It's very windy. See, the overall market is just up. Everything's the same. Meta 5.2. I would like to get out of Meta. I have to be honest. I don't know why I bought it. I just thought it was the right thing to do, but I don't like it. Google is up 3% today. J&J. J&J is the closest I've ever been to making money on J&J, but I do earn a dividend. I've still not got any information about Rio Tinto and LMT, by the way. I still never could not find the money anywhere. Rio Tinto. Look, no shares, nothing settled, nothing happened, $149 gone. I'm not going to let it go. But and also LMT as well. Lockheed, I had the same situation with them. If you sell out on the day, they're gone. I don't know where it's gone. I haven't found out yet. I will get to the bottom of it and then let you know where my dividends went, because I've lost about $200 and I don't want to lose it. That's a bit rubbish. I got my Rio dividend. Yes, I would have had it as well. But what I did, I sold it on the day it was going to get paid, and I never saw it. And I've never done that before. I did it because I knew it was going to go down, and it did. That happened. That was the day they paid it. So I sold it before the market opened, and the dividend never arrived. And what we discovered was, you will, as I understand it, you get paid if you are in the stock on the ex-dividend date and hold it. And I did. I held it for like a couple of weeks. I had it in, no question about it, and it was all set. And if you look down here, they say in my history, Rio dividend from Rio Tinto, paid. See, $109. If I click on it, look, announcement confirmed, paid. But where? $109, but where is it? Where's the $109? I've not seen it. Didn't see my balance go up by $109. I've got no idea. Anyway, I will get to the bottom of it and I will let you know, and then we can all learn from it. Goes into your account. It goes into my balance. Okay, well, I know S22 said, why don't you check your cash report? I've never looked in there, so I will do that. That's the only thing I haven't done. Anyway, I haven't had time to check. It's on my list to do. I didn't see my balance go up by $109. Rio may pay in 30 days. What do you mean? It's already been paid. It's always straight away. If I'd not sold on the day, it would have been in there because it does all the time for all the dividends I've ever had. Anyway, we are learning all the time. Virgin Galactic 509. Did it do a dividend? Yes, it was set to do. It was set to do a dividend reinvestment, but it didn't go in. That's what I'm saying. It was set to be paid in. Look, Rio Tinto. Scroll down. Look here. Dividend from Rio Tinto. Click on it. Dividend payment. Edit total amount. And it was set. Trade on expiration date. Trade on app appearance. That's not what I want. It's not showing it there. Anyway, so I've still not got to the bottom of it. See the reinvestment button. Reinvestment. It is set to reinvest. Okay. There's nothing on that screen. It shows on my app, not on here. Anyway, it was reinvested, but if it was reinvested, where is the balance? There's no balance there. It should say I own 2 shares or something like that, and it doesn't. Anyway, I'll continue to investigate. Here he is, Tom, CMV Studios, just talking to Tom earlier. So it bought more shares, most likely then you sold the position. No, it didn't buy the shares. It didn't buy the shares. I have not yet received them. I was watching it. I saw how many shares I had. I had 44 shares or whatever it was, and I sold 44 shares. That was it. It never came in. And exactly the same for LMT, which is Lockheed. Exactly the same. Virgin Galactic. Oh, hang on a minute. We got some guests. We got some guests. Redneck 16. What do you think of Rumstock free speech video platform rising? Redneck, welcome. I don't know anything about that stock, and I could review it, but it's a members only perk. You'll see that everybody in our channel is a member. 95% of our audience, our live viewers, are members. We have a highest engagement rate on YouTube, even more than Mr. Beast. If you scroll through all the big YouTube channels, people that watch us live, percentage-wise, we have more members than any other channel on YouTube, and that's official. I've done my research on that, and it's one of the perks that I do that for my members. Why is everyone buying? This is not a bottom. It can't be. Why is everyone buying? Well, to pump and dump, quite possibly, JH. Call Robin Hood live here on the show. I could do that, actually. Interesting. I'm sure it's somewhere in the details. Would be 1.9 shares. Yeah, exactly. They found out you're a Brit and shouldn't be trading on Robin Hood. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, he can't have it. How's he got it? Dude, this is at bottom as it gets. Look at this. Houston's saying it's bottom. There you go. I've got 1,500 shares of Virgin Galactic. No one knows when the bottom is. The smartest people in the world do not know when the bottom is. But I guarantee one thing. They'll all be telling you when the bottom is a month after we go up. And they'll go, that was the bottom. And that's as good as anyone can ever get. They'll go, that's when it bottomed. Maybe you're at the bottom right now. Maybe this is the worst it'll ever get for my portfolio. Maybe. Did someone say party? 15th of October. JH, this is not the bottom, sorry. No one knows when the bottom is, I'm afraid. No one knows. Right. Tom's in the house. For those of you who don't know, on the 15th of October, we are meeting in Cornwall in England. Here is the event. Whoops-a-daisy. Here is the event. And 15th of October, we have a party on the beach. We have a entertainment in the evening with Tom. He's our DJ. We have people coming from all over the world. If you want to be there, it's $50 or £50, and you can get a pasture on the beach. You've got a hotel. There's entertainment. There's a DJ. There's we've got Alicia and Patricia coming from Italy. Me and Leah coming from Dallas, Texas. Tom coming from Canterbury. Sam coming. Real Ray from Yorkshire. Nicky Boy Gaming and his girlfriend from Bristol. Ali Isles. Ali Tisrow. All over the place. If you want to be there at the first annual Day Trader Convention, having a party, we're going to make a movie as well. You're all going to be in the film. We're going to record the Virgin Orbit situation as well. Loads going on. Just go into the super chat and your name will be added to the list. All the details is in the newsletter. Yeah, this is as bottom as Venezuela, says Houston, Texas. And if you can't actually be at the event, but you want to join us live on the Day Trader in the morning, look, okay, here it is. This is the video right now, this one here. You can go and like it right now if you want to. Leave a like. And ring the bell, and you'll be notified. This is the, I DM'd you on Twitter about spaceware. Thank you so much indeed. I'll go and check it right now. All right, let me have a look. Here is the video. Yeah, if you want to go and click the like and the ring the bell and all that stuff, leave a comment, you can. There you are, we've got 7 likes going up all the time. Make sure that you've rung the bell here, so you'll be notified when it goes live, all right? Anyway. Let's go and check out this news then about Virgin Galactic. Let's go back to the stock. I DM'd you on Twitter. So let me go to Twitter right now and let's have a little look. See if you've messaged me. The Day Trader. I've DM'd you on Twitter about spaceware. Have a look. I'm trying to find it. Did you do it on Martyn Lucas or did you do it on the Day Trader? Right, okay. Spaceline, you've said you've DM'd me on Twitter about spaceware. Your comments are never reliable. The links are never there. Look, you just said you've messaged me on Twitter. There is my inbox. Nothing. Oh, hang on. A new request. Have you done it on Martyn Lucas? Ah, you've done it on the Martyn Lucas channel. You've done it on the wrong channel, but that doesn't matter. You've done it here. You've done it on you've done it on the Martyn Lucas music channel, but never mind. That's fine. Here we go. Let me give you the Day Trader Twitter. Very important because I keep them very separate. Here is my Twitter, Martyn Lucas. If anybody wants the music, that's that one in the chat right now. But if you want the Day Trader, which is all this content, then you need this one in the chat right now. The Day Trader 007. See it? Okay, so let's have a look at this then. This is the link you posted. Let me have a quick look. What does it say? Okay. Let me have a look. Spaceware. Let's have a little look.
Un po' a scartabellare nelle varie missioni del novembre.
Virgin Galactic. This is a Virgin Galactic. The Italian, what is this? This could be interesting.
Ufficiali dell'aeronautica e ricercatori del CNR l'abbiamo fatto cercando di.
This could be very interesting, folks.
Ha una piccola scheda descrittiva molto rapida.
It's in Italian. Maybe our ladies could translate it for me. In fact, we can do CC.
E soprattutto una considerazione è stata,
It's in Italian.
continua ad esserlo, perché eravamo a scambiarci mail per organizzare il trasporto degli esperimenti fino a poco prima della press conference, una
Auto translate
interazione sia col mondo dei ricercatori italiani
English.
sia con il mondo
This is interesting.
tecnico di Virgin, con un rapporto estremamente interessante, perché è la prima volta che
Look at
Virgin opera la spaceship in questo modo, quindi è per la prima volta che mette degli
This is the Italian Air Force.
in cabina, ospita un equipaggio che opererà questa, ma questa possibilità di volare per alcuni minuti in queste condizioni
stringono sempre di
Talking about Virgin Galactic. Look at this.
È importante quindi avere questa formazione, questo addestramento per portare avanti questa ricerca così importante. Io ho partecipato ad uno esperimento creato all'Università della Florida e la cabina è progettata per portare avanti questi tipi di esperimenti e per poter creare queste nuove opportunità pionieristiche per i ricercatori. È possibile.
Churchy says they're talking about how much pasta they had last night and why it's hard for them to... My gosh, Churchy, what's going on? We're trying to find out here.
Condurre degli esperimenti del tutto innovativi, portare avanti diversi profili di volo, e, insomma, vedere questa ricerca proprio dal vivo. È una parte centrale della nostra
Space medicine. What's all this?
Poteva andare sul serio ad esplorare.
Virgin Galactic.
Di seguire quello che è.
Avremo sicuramente delle domande per voi, quindi do la parola ai
from
colleghi.
the colleagues, I underline that it's useless that whoever has it there placed for the press because I have already asked for it.
Chi vuole rompere il ghiaccio?
Somehow with Virgin Galactic in recent weeks
dove hanno cominciato ad introdurci le procedure 48 ore prima, 72 ore prima fanno dei voli
very interesting stuff.
Passaporti in Italia sul nostro territorio nazionale, magari anche con il contributo
This
di
is the first sort of public newsletter for a long time. I need to go through this video though in detail.
Che tutto sommato, ecco, poi mi aiuta.
Right, that's given me some work to do, right? Anyway, nothing more lame than a guy who lives in Houston and sorry at football team. Church of Logic. What's going on a minute? So I'll come back to that. Spaceline. Thank you very much for sending that in. That obviously is verified information. I do now need to go through it and check it all out and find out what it actually says. Anyway, great stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much. I will have to go and spaceware. Look at all this stuff here. All right. Okay. Got to do some work if I'm going to work out how to present that. Maybe send me the video, Martin. I'll translate for you. Oh yeah, that'd be good. Right. Okay. Here we go. I'll send you the link. Here we go. We've got our Italians in the house. That is Patricia. Look. There we go. Patricia. There's the link in the chat. If you go and listen to that, send me the script and then I can read it out. Which one would I get you to watch though? There's a few there. It's like knowing which way to go, isn't it? Anyway, we'll come back to that. Thank you ever so much for the offer. That was very, very kind of you. I'd rather hear you give Robinhood the Where's My Money call. Yeah, I should call them up. I'll call them up. Right, Virgin Galactic is still rising. The S&P. Send all of them. Well, I've sent the link, so she got the whole page. So there you go. battery-powered step-through. What's all this about the bloody Ford pedal scooter thing? Why does that always come up into the show? I've never quite understood that. Never quite understood it. Anyway, we're coming up to 15 minutes before the end of the show. We've got to end the show today on time. And I have to just run a very, very quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Paul B! He couldn't stay away, could he? Paul B's on holiday. Everybody say, happy holiday, happy holiday. Here he is, happy holidays. Let me just write that. Happy holiday. Right, there we go. I want Paul B. He's on his holiday. If his girlfriend, wife, whoever he's with finds out, there's going to be hell up because he's supposed to be on holiday, not doing day trading. So happy holiday, everybody. Here he is, Paul B. Who is Paul B? Why am I mentioning Paul B so much? Is Paul B famous or something? Yes, he is. Here he is.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. That's Paul B. Very, very, very famous. Like, really famous. He sent me loads of stuff recently. I've been looking at it. Has everybody been looking at his stuff? He sent, where was it? He sent it on to, was it General Chit Chat? I think it was. Paul B. A couple of days ago. Yesterday. Yeah, this morning. Here it is. Here he is. This is Paul B's contribution, despite he's on holidays. Right? Here he goes, look. Regularly improving in France and more investments from Chronos, Crypto.com to #1. Go and check this out. It's in General Chit Chat. It was sent in by Paul B. And there it is. No one's given it a thumbs up yet, so I'm going to. I think it's rude. I think it's rude, Paul B. No one's thumbs it up, so I'll do it. Hang on a minute. Why aren't you working? There you go. Thumbs it up. Giving it the day trader seal of approval. There you go. Thank you very much. I'll read it later. Goodbye, everyone. Houston, Texas is out of here. See you later. See you later, Houston. Thanks for popping by. Ciao, Donna. Remember, we all rode him around his new Ford and I called it the scooter. I still don't know what everyone's talking about. Paul B. Look at the S&P now, up 2.33. 4% now. 4%. Ugly days coming. Be careful, everyone. I'm not buying anything. I don't have to be careful about anything, JH. I'm not buying anything. I've already bought everything. I'm just holding it and hoping that finally we'll reach a bottom. And eventually we will. But everything's up to date. It could be one hell of a pump and dump, of course, but that's fine. We've been through this before. We know how it works. I'm not interested in selling everything now. I hold more value in my stocks than this. Arrival hasn't moved. Amazon is up 3.56. Apple is up, still down, but moving up. Everything should be shorted today at the end of the day for Friday. One day you're going to get caught on one hell of a short squeeze, Churchy. All you're doing is shorting all the time. Bloody hell, at what point are you going to go, we're near the bottom, or we are at the bottom? You're going to get caught out one of these days with short squeezes. Happy holidays. There we go. Happy holidays. Cool restorations. What's your position now in space? SPCE. My position now in space is 1,500 shares. There you go. Cool restorations. Lovely to have you here. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'll expect a 12% loss today. I'll expect a 12% loss today. It will go up tomorrow. Oh, what do you call a man with hands for feet? Very handy. Oh, very good, very good. Isn't that funny though? So I'm gonna give it the bad joke. That's what you get if it's a bad joke. If it's a good joke, much better. Marty, on my phone doesn't allow me to open the link. You could send to me another way. I don't know why that is. I'll try and find another way. All right, Paddy. I'll probably send it through Discord. I'll be okay, Martin. I know when to walk away. Good man. Look at this right now. Look at my overall portfolio. It's literally on fire right now. 4.2%. Literally ripping at the minute. Look at that. 4.2. He's ignoring me, Mike. Who's ignoring who? Stephen remembers. He's ignoring me, Mike. I don't know what you're saying. What are you saying, Stephen Rowe? Ford, step through. I don't know what you're talking about. You're all talking rubbish. Step through. Nice one. DJ Al is here. JH, bubble is still inflated. Simple economics. Bullwhip effect. If you understand what this is, it will get worse as we move through time. Okay. Nice amount. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Virgin Galactic. It's relevant to my portfolio. You've got to remember that when people talk about how much do you own, it's all to do with your balance of your portfolio. I think it's very important to note that. It's currently 10.5% of my portfolio, and it can't be any more than 20. So if it gets to $10, I'm trimming off. I have to trim off. I can't just keep going and going. The pump is extremely a death trap. This pump is extremely a death trap. Stephen is laughing his head off. I don't know what he's laughing at. I don't know what he's laughing at. You should have been margin this morning. Well, too bad. Sorry about that. Today, right there with you, up 4.14. There you go. Very nice. Congratulations, Martin. You win. Good luck. What have I won? Oh, have I won, what, the day trader of the day? Yes. We are going through anger at the moment. Now comes the depression period. It will never go to $10. Of course it bloody will. CCL is not a squeeze for me. It's just a dummies failing for a 6% pump on a company that has had nothing to show for anything. What a bull trap. Amazing to watch institutions set this up for retail. Well, they're setting nothing up for me, Mr. Profit. Nothing at all. I am not buying any of this at all. I'm already in. Holding 2,300 space. Lowered average to 526. Very, very nice. My average is 523 now. Hi, Paddy. Market Profit. Here he is in the house. You've got a big fan, you know. Market Profit. I just want to tell you that. Churchy loves you. He thinks you're the greatest. You can tell whenever he comes into the channel. He loves it. I think I think Church of Logic he's a fanboy. He is. He absolutely, every time Market Profit comes in, look, yes, he loves it. He absolutely loves it. Mike couldn't care less. Mike's not a fan. Now I have backup. There we go. Yes, it's like his best mate's turned up. He's a fanboy. He is. He's like Church of Logic and Market Profit. They're like a tag team. They're like a tag team. They're coming on here just to annoy me. Mike's not a fan. I don't like the negativity. I don't like it. Churchy loves it. This really is one of those days designed to keep people in the market. Well, it makes a difference, right? I only bought the bottom of this. I did not buy on the way up today. So I don't care. And at some point, it will be the bottom. It will be the bottom. And everybody who's saying it's all rubbish is going to be left with their trousers down. That's what's going to happen. Eventually, it'll be the bottom. And eventually, I'll be right. In 2020, I had also 2,200 space that I sold before the huge pump. Learned my lesson. Could have made $50,000. Queen of Self-Braiding. Hello all. Queen, this is for your benefit. For your benefit. Check out my website. At the top, the calendar of events. Here's my, because you're near Dallas. Here are my events. I now have a string of events. And I've got an army of Martyn Lucas fans calling up the venues. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. They're calling up. Seriously, I've got all these dancers that I use on my show. when I do theatre shows. They're all calling up the restaurants, the venues I'm playing in, telling everybody, is Martyn Lucas on tonight? We want to book a table. You can't even get a table Friday and Saturday night in Dallas where I'm playing. You can't get a table. It's sold out. With my own people. I love it. So excited. Anyway, if anyone wants to stand next to the piano, there's room at the piano. They set up common folk to enter. Then, bam, we've got your money. They ain't got my money. They ain't got my money. No one's got my money. I'm not having any of it. So, anyway, I actually put out, let me show you today. Actually, where is it? I actually put out a message. I put out a message this afternoon. Oh, by the way, as we've got everybody in and we've got some people that I've not seen for a couple of days, like, for example, we've got Market Profit. From Monday, I start my vacation, right? From Monday, and I'll be away in October. So what we're doing is we're going to keep the times the same. Everything's going to happen the same. The way I've done it is I've made some videos all about different areas of investing, and they're going to premiere on the opening and closing bell, the same time every day. Now, they're only 5, 6, 7 minutes long, not 2 hours long like these normal shows. And they're premiering. Imagine you go to a premiere of a movie. They premiere at the opening bell and the closing bell. The times that I normally go live, they premiere every day. Now, the idea is it's going to be members only live chat. So it's exclusive for the members. And what I want to happen is you're all in for the premiere and you all chat. It's a way to keep the community going. I've recorded 40 videos. I put a lot of work into it to hopefully give you some content, but also to keep the community together. Okay, so the opening and closing bell every day. And you can only chat live through the premiere. So you'll have like 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes in the morning, in the evening, each day. The idea is everybody comes in, communicates, likes the video, and chats live. You can watch the video whenever you like, of course, but you need to be there live in the premiere if you want to keep the family going and keep the community going. And I will pop in whenever I can into the live chat, and there'll also be live events from my holiday, but there'll be members only videos, because general subscribers to the channel do not want to know what I'm doing on my holiday, but I think my friends and family would. So for the members only, it will be the breaking news of whatever stock from the beach, or breaking news for Tesla while sat on a boat. That's going to be for members only. So you need to be a member to get that, and you need to be a member to chat. You can see the videos, but you need to be a member to chat. All right? Hopefully it'll keep the community going throughout the time I'm away. Okay, we got 2 minutes before the bell goes. I'm ready to go. Way to go, Al. What's Al done? Good man, Steve. I don't want dirty hands on my crystal ball. What's going on? Crystal ball, sorry, can't watch all. I'm washing my hands. My crystal ball is about to go viral. Not as good as mine. You ready? Who wants to see the crystal ball? Right, crystal ball. I have got 30 watching. I want 30 likes in 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going to look into my crystal ball. Here we go. I'm going to have 30 likes in 1 minute. And we're going to have a green day. I said that yesterday and today. You ready? Okay. Smash the like button. You got 1 minute. I want 30 likes. Do it. Do it. Do it now. If you're not doing it, we're going to fall out. We got 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes before the bell goes. Where is the market going to end up? Smash the like button. I've got 6 more likes to go. 6 more likes to go. Here we go. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow, chiggy, chiggy, Sending wrong channel. Sending wrong channel. What's, are you real? Sending wrong channel. Someone on TikTok saying, sending wrong channel, am I real? I think I'm real. Yeah, I'm real. Right, 26 likes. We need 4 more likes. Damn it, says Mike. Damn the torpedoes. Right, we need 3 more likes. 18 seconds. Hurry up. There's the little cheer. There's a little thing. I'll blow the air horn as well. I want to wake you up. Virgin Galactic now at 5:13. 30 likes. Yeah, we did it. See, on TikTok, you're all being miserable and negative. And yet we're always winning here on the Day Trader. We're always winning. We're always exceeding. And we just did it again. Right. The bell is going in 30 seconds. Are you ready? Guess get ready to go through the stocks and do Day Trader of the Day. Let's ring the bell in 30 seconds. Let's see how we end up today. Are you ready? Here we go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Yes, Crystal Ball, Merlin, Martin. Boom, chicky, chicky, boom, boom, boom. Oh, yes. And if you want to be there in person in Cornwall next 2 weeks from now, just let me know in the chat and you can be there. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. What are we going to do in the after hours? There we go. Are we going to go up in the after hours? What do you think? 3.53 holding at the moment. The S&P is still going up in the after hours. Virgin Galactic is going up 512. I have to go now. We will see how tomorrow goes. Unbelievable day. Unbelievable day. Become a member, Nits. Well, only the members are going to get the exclusive event videos. And, yeah, it's for the members only. General public won't want to see it. Profit taking into the close. Last 5 minutes. Where's the profit taking? Not on Virgin Galactic, it's not. I should, but I'm holding out. S&P. It's up in the after hours. What are you saying? Profit taking into the close. Last 5 minutes. What? Where? I don't see it. I don't see it. Let's go for all our stocks. Ethereum. Bitcoin. BSV. Enphase Energy. I'm up again on Enphase. Lovely stuff. Ginkgo Bioworks, 20% today. Oh, wouldn't you like to be in that one today? Tilray Brands, down 12%. On. Up. Look at my SPY chart. 5-minute candle. Great as always. Look at my SPY chart. Where have you posted that? Have you posted it into Discord? Links for YouTube. No, nothing's in there. Look at the SPY chart. I beg your pardon. Yeah, I mean, I know what you're saying. Sold here, but it's coming straight back up again. So I'm not going to react like that. Great as always, Mum. How you not see it? Well, yeah, I'm not going to react just because it's some people take some profit off the table. I'm not going to overreact. If everyone stopped selling, the stocks would all go up. Simple as that. So I'm not. The market doesn't control me. When people keep selling and trying to get me to react, that's not going to work. It's not going to work. I'm in control of my own life. Right, here we go. So let's have a look. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. LOL. What you laughing about? Look, you on about that? Who cares about that? Is that what's upsetting you? Is everyone upset about this? Bloody hell. What is wrong with you? Why is everybody upset? Is this what we're talking about? Whoop-de-doo. Everyone's always reacting all the time rather than proacting. It's always like, oh, hang on a minute, everyone's selling, right? I don't believe in VU anymore. VU's rubbish. I'm going to sell it. I don't believe in the S&P 500. Everyone's selling it. What the hell's going on? Right, Day Trader of the Day. You should use candles on the chart, Martin. I can do that. I can do the candles. I can do that. There you go. I can see it. I see what you're saying. But I'm not going to sell because a bunch of people decided to take some profits. I'm not interested. They can do what they want. I'm not ready to sell. It's not right for me right now. Not interested. They can do what they want. There's the chart. Everyone's excited looking at the chart. All right. They can do what they want. And it can go up and down, sideways, inside out. Right. Okay, here we go. I'm not saying to sell. I'm saying lots did. Oh, I know. 22. It's going, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Right, up 3.44%. No, 3.45. I'm going up. Going to be 3.46 in a minute. I should hold on. Right, am I going to win? It doesn't look like it. I'm seeing some people here with more than me. Boo. All right, okay, here we go. 1 minute. NYSE is up 4.41. I get destroyed straight away. I didn't even get 5 seconds of being number one, did I? Up 2.85. Woohoo! How's the new tractor market profit? Oh yeah, he's made his money now. I'll make my own video. I'll make my own video. Go on then. Dal gave me 100 points in 5 minutes. There you go. Wonderful stuff. DNA to the moon. No moon here. We don't do any moons. Don't they have candles on Robinhood? Yes, they do. I've just shown it. Click advance, then can't have done it. Look, look, look. I got Churchy getting very, very excited. He's going, oh, okay. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, Church. You should use candles. I've done it. My gosh, everyone's gone nuts. We are negative. Hang on a minute. Let me end the timer. I've got too many comments coming in here to up 2.85, 2.15, 3.45, NYSE 4.6. Looks like NYSE is the winner. 4.6. Yep, I'm going to call it 4.6. So congratulations to you. Scratching and clawing back into the game. 4.6. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And what about the sound effects? Let's do it. Let's do it. Very good. Very good, NYSE for Elds. Very, very, very good. Yay, NYSE. He's going, yeah, I love it. I'm number one again. Congratulations, NYSE. How is the weather for you over there in Florida, Stephen? How are you? 3.46. I'm just getting better all the time. Chinese crack. What is it with you lot? Why are you so obsessed with my bloody fireworks? There's nothing wrong with them. Nothing wrong with them. Look at that. What's wrong with that? Absolutely bloody marvellous. See? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that either. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. It's all good. Nice now, weather, not bad. Good. I'm glad you're okay. Is it the first time? NYSE, hang on. It's the first time NYSE has won. It's the first time NYSE has won. We got to do something special then. Especially for NYSE. NYSE is a winner. There you go. Let's blow it. Congratulations, mate. Well done indeed. There you go. Nice one. You're very welcome, Stephen. You're very, very welcome. I'm just glad you're all right. 3.48. See, I'm slowly just crawling up. No one's even noticing. No one's even noticing the march of Martyn Lucas, just constantly going up. Just slowly going up. THX. That's what it did. That's how he made his money. Virgin Galactic After Hours is doing well. Virgin Orbit is doing well. Tesla is doing very well. It is great. Rivian, very nice. I've always said that Rivian was only worth $30. Remember when it was 170? If you go and check back my Rivian IPO day, I said Rivian is worth $30. I bought it at 26 and I've always made money on it. There you go. Absolutely. I'm not going to sell it. Nice. All right. Time for me to wrap up the show today. Thank you very much for being here. We're going to wrap it up. Let's see if we gain any more subscribers in today's show. When I get back from vacation, we'll have Greg Dickerson on the show. It was too late to organise it before I went away. So that will happen when I get back. Make sure... P-Lab. P-Lab. You want me to look at P-Lab? I certainly will. P-L-A-B. P-Lab. Photronics. Up 1.78 today, just falling a bit back in the after hours. I've got a reasonable position of this one, 2.8 of my portfolio. Quick Photronics, there you go. The Quick Photronics, Stephen Rowe. There you go. Quick look at it. It's looking all right today. It's improved, but not by much. But, you know, it's okay. Let's go get some perspective, though. Let's look at the month, just trailing along, holding it, down 9%. Not going anywhere. I believe in semiconductors. It's very, very important stuff. All right. That's it. So I will see you back in the morning. We only have 2 days left to go, and then we move to our special videos throughout the vacation. And I hope you'll follow it each day. I believe now we've got a community that come every day at the same time. Remember, though, you need to come right at the beginning or watch it later in the day. But if you want to chat live, you need to be a member and you need to be in the Premiere to be able to do that. Okay, green, and it's all green. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's have a quick look. Did we gain any more subscribers today? Roll the bloody credits. Hopefully that today and tomorrow is good weather. Wise, thanks, family. Yeah, bloody weather. There you go. Let's have a quick look. 104 throughout the stream today. Everyone's watching the news. Bit of a quieter one today. 5,059. Oh, I lost 2 subscribers. That happens sometimes. That can happen. I can live with that. See you, Stephen. Okay, quick one. Okay, quick 1 sec. What's that? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want to ask? Okay, quick 1 second, Stephen Rowe. What do you want? Okay, quick 1 sec. What do you want to know? Let me close the Discord lounge. Let me close the Discord lounge down now. Bloody marvellous. Yep. Let me close that down. What did Sam... I will be singing in the... I'll be singing in the aisles while you're away. So £10 in chat. Yeah. I'll be singing in the aisles while you're away. So £10 in the chat, please. That's funny. That's very, very funny. Well, I'll be popping into the live chat whenever I can, so hopefully you'll all be tuning in with me anyway. I'll be singing in the lives while you're away, so £10 in the chat, please. He cheated. Fluke. What? Who cheated? Who cheated? No one cheated. What's going on, Ali? Anyway, I'm out of here. That's it. Thanks, Paddy. Thanks, family. Let's keep our thoughts tonight with all our friends. Stephen Moose, who's right on the front line in Florida tonight. It's going to get worse before it gets better. Let's remember our friends. And roll them, says Jason Newman. Jason Newman has taken role as my producer. So, you know, it's like he's up in the gallery saying, roll the bloody credits. Enough of your talking. Shut up your show. Go home and get on with it. So, all right, I'll do it. Let's roll the bloody credits, apparently. I mean, apparently it's to do. All right. Yeah, the only person who tells me what to do is Mike. Mike's in charge. Who's going to moderate my shows while I'm away? I've got Mike. I might need a couple more moderators while I'm away to moderate in the chat for the live chats. So I'm looking for a couple more moderators. So we'll have a little think about that. Might need a couple more. Shooby do. Mike slayed the bot. It was rubbish tonight. No new members, no subscribers, no super chats. Where was Nicky Boy Gaming tonight? No songs tonight. I'm not modding, but I'm making money in the chat. Whoop-de-whoop. I would, but yeah, we know, Bill. I'd love you to do it, but we've discussed it before. Sometimes it doesn't work out. I don't know why. But you're always here to police it anyway, Bill. You're like an honorary member. You're like the original member, mate. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for all being here. If you're watching on the replay, you got to subscribe and ring the bell. It's all part of the razzmatazz. Give me a thumbs up. Everybody on TikTok, thanks ever so much. Good day for your looks like. Good day for you. Looks like Kenny22. It's always a good day here on The Day Trader. We're always making friends. We're always doing cash giveaways on YouTube. We're having a wonderful time. We're here to support people. And the value of that is priceless. I'll see you guys on TikTok back in the morning. Bye-bye for now. He was up all night playing Grand Theft Auto. Are you impressed that I knew that? I watched for a bit. He was up all night playing GTA. I watched. There you go. Glad we've got fans now of Nicky Boy Gaming. When he comes in, I'm going to tell him that Nitz Farreld was watching. No pay. No pay. Night, Paddy. That's it. All right. I'll see you all back in the morning. Have a lovely evening. Be safe wherever you are around the world. We need one more like to get to 30. Who's not liked? Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.